Now that you've added Ring Alarm Outdoor Contact Sensor to your Ring system, let's look at your mounting options. Alarm Outdoor Contact Sensor has several parts. There's the sensor and the magnet, and a mounting bracket for each one. The sensor and the magnet can be installed up to 2.54 centimeters apart. When you pull the sensor and the magnet apart, you'll hear a chirp sound coming from your alarm base station, if you have chirp tones turned on. You can mount Alarm Outdoor Contact Sensor on one side of your window and the magnet on the other side, or you can switch them around. Don't be afraid to rotate your sensor or magnet to make them fit better. You can even rotate them up to 90 degrees or install them in an offset position, as long as they are lined up in the same direction. Many mounting options will work as long as your Alarm Outdoor Contact Sensor installation meets the following 3 criteria. 1. The gap between the sensor and the magnet must be 2.54 centimeters or less. 2. When you open the sensor and the magnet, you should hear the chirp tone. 3. Make sure there is space around the sensor so that you can replace the batteries. If you're mounting Alarm Outdoor Contact Sensor on a door, avoid the side of the door with hinges because the sensor will not detect when the door is open. Before you mount Alarm Outdoor Contact Sensor, let's learn about the mounting options. We recommend that you use more than one method to help make sure your Alarm Outdoor Contact Sensor is attached securely and won't fall off. Your Alarm Outdoor Contact Sensor comes with double-sided mounting tape, screws, and wall plugs. You can also use a strap tie to mount it to a pole. To mount using the tape, first clean the surface with alcohol to make sure it sticks well. Then peel the back of the mounting tape and stick the sensor and magnet brackets onto the surface. Press firmly in place for 20 seconds. If you're using Alarm Outdoor Contact Sensor on a flat surface made of metal, brick or vinyl, use a 5mm drill bit to drill holes for the wall plugs. Push the wall plugs into place, then screw in the sensor and magnet mounting brackets. If mounting on a wood surface, you don't need to use the wall plugs. And if your Alarm Outdoor Contact Sensor needs to be mounted on a pole, metal zip ties, straps, or hose clamps can be used to secure the sensor and magnet brackets. Make sure the metal strap fits through the slot on the bracket, then tighten it so that the bracket doesn't move. No matter which mounting methods you choose, after the brackets are mounted, slide on the sensor and magnet and make sure they click into place. To find tips on how to mount Alarm Outdoor Contact Sensor, visit ring.com/help.